This is your expressions unit test read aloud. Solve the problems below. Be sure to show your thinking. Number 1, which expression below does not represent 343? A, 7 cubed, B, 7 times 7 times 7, C, 7 times 49, or D, 9 times 9 times 9. 2, simplify. 12 times the quantity of 3y plus x. Number 3, determine the value of the expression below. 60 minus the quantity of 9 divided by 3 squared plus 15. Number 4, which set of expressions below are not equivalent? Number 5, Tristan is building a fence for a dog park with the dimensions shown below. Find the area of the rectangular dog park using the formula A equals base times height. 6, determine the value of the expression below. 7 squared minus 9 all over 3 plus 2. Match the following equations to the properties. Number 7, 12 plus the quantity of 8 plus 5 is the same thing as the quantity of 12 plus 8 plus 5. The associative property of addition, associative property of multiplication, commutative property of addition, commutative property of multiplication, the distributive property, the additive inverse property, or the additive identity property. Number 8, 16 times 5 times 2 equals 2 times 5 times 16. A, the associative property of addition, B, the associative property of multiplication, C, the commutative property of addition, D, the commutative property of multiplication, E, the distributive property, F, the additive inverse property, or G, the additive identity property. Number 9, 7 plus 0 equals 7. A, the associative property of addition, B, the associative property of multiplication, C, the commutative property of addition, D, the commutative property of multiplication, E, the distributive property, F, additive inverse property, or G, additive identity property. Number 10, 6 times the quantity of 3 plus 8 is the same thing as 6 times 3 plus 6 times 8. A, the associative property of addition, B, the associative property of multiplication, C, the commutative property of addition, D, the commutative property of multiplication, E, the distributive property, F, the additive inverse property, or G, the additive identity property. Number 11, write the following expanded form in exponent form. Number 12, evaluate the expression if A equals 2 and B equals 7. Solve the problems below. Be sure to show your thinking. Number 13, the cost of renting a bounce house is $75 plus $10 for each hour of use. Which of the following expressions could represent the cost of renting a bounce house for each number of hours? Number 14, which two expressions are equivalent? Number 15, Alexis and her brother go to the sporting goods store to pick up gear for the football team. The number of footballs purchased is 6 less than twice the number of helmets purchased each. Write an expression to represent the number of footballs purchased. Number 16, list the terms in the expression shown below. Number 17, simplify. Solve using PEMDAS. Number 18, Mr. Anderson writes the expression 10 plus 5r plus 2s on the board. Which of the following are the coefficients in the expression? Number 19, Which of the following has the same value as the given expression? Number 20. The length of a rectangle can be represented by the expression 1/2 W plus 4, where W is the width. Which of the following is the best description of the length of the rectangle? A. The length is 4 more than twice the width. B. The length is 4 more than 1/2 the width. C. The length is 4 more than the width. Or D. The length is half of the width.